Every project's gonna have challenges. At the end of the day, I've found that it's about expectation. As long as you set a realistic expectation, everybody understands that, and you communicate that, you generally don't have too many issues. Because everybody wants to know, how much is this? How long is it gonna take? And my response to that is, what are we installing? Because it makes a difference. So when I send a client to ProSource, it's nice to send them to a place that has professional people. I've known Renee for 20 plus years. We've just been in the business together. She's very good at what she does. She's very knowledgeable. I had personally gone to ProSource and bought materials. They've got a really nice team to help clients that need direction. For a contractor who's installing, that's huge. Decisions are the hardest thing to make. You know, they can give them that direction, narrow that focus for the client. Now we have decisions. A lot of stuff today is done online through videos and pictures. You can make anything look great, right? It's nice to be able to touch it and feel it. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna walk on it, you're gonna be barefoot. You can't experience that online. It's important to have that physical sample, because then you can take it into your home, you can take it into your space, look at it in the morning, look at it in the evening, and that eliminates that guesswork from looking at it online. I've watched Renee in action. She really commands the situation. Flooring can be overwhelming. It's nice to have folks that can help guide you through that process versus sending them to a box store where they're just wandering around aimlessly. I think that gives the client more confidence moving into the project that they made the right choices. As a flooring contractor, I'm always skeptical to change. One thing that ProSource does often is try to educate as much as they can, and they'll do demonstrations. As a contractor, it's nice. ProSource they'll bring the vendors in to where you can actually establish a relationship with them. It's one thing to draw it, and it's another thing to put it up. It's neat to see a client that has worked hard in making selection with a designer and then seeing it up. Go to ProSource. They can handle that. They can guide you through that. It's gonna make your life easier.